Hello everyone, welcome to another video on CoinVista channel. Today is 4th of February 2025 and today I would like to talk about another project called SmartClub. So I'm here on this project since 2024, since November if I'm not wrong. I invested already $3,400 and I'm going to explain everything, how does it work and how can you earn money here. So the thing is, let's start by you earn from 3% till 10% every week. They pay you every week. Normally it's on Friday, but it can be on Tuesday or another day of the week. Also on this project you need to be aware that you need to pay 25% of what you gain every month. So for example, if you did $1,000, you need to pay $250 to the guy that gives you the money, let's say, like to the SmartClub. I'm going to show you everything, do not stress about this. So let's start from the first page. They use a wallet called Walletry where everything is easy. You can start with this, you can register and just put your money here like you put in everything else like Bybit, Binance, Binx. You see that I have 3,280 total deposit. I'm sorry, I said 3,400. It's $3,280 that I have here. Also I made already $1,562, but I paid 25% every month. I'm here, like I said, 3 months. So what is the thing about this project? That they buy and sell crypto for you, so you don't need to be worried about nothing, just to pay your 25% every month. So please do not forget about this when you are joining this project, because if you do this 1, 2, 3 times, they are going to disable your API address, let's say. So as you see, it's really simple. You have the main wallets, swap, API, referral structure, transactions and currencies. Also here you can see my wallets. I have 8 cents, yeah, because I withdraw my money to Bybit, and yeah, I use my money to invest on Bitcoin and Ethereum. So how should you start? Let's start by adding money to the wallet, the Walletry. After you do the registration, it's going to ask you to confirm the email. You're going to have seed phrases, everything to secure your wallet. So you come to wallets, you click receive, and then you select the token. So it's going to be the network. Normally I use TRC20 because you are going to pay more fees in the Ethereum network. So TRC20, TRC20. I'm going to copy this address, and then I'm going just to top up my Walletry wallet, let's say, and it's going to appear here. I think I don't need to understand how to top up or how to withdraw or deposit funds. If you have any questions, of course I'm going to explain you how to top up this, so just write me on Telegram or you can leave a comment below and I'm going to help you with that. So after you top up this, you're going to have your money here, and now you are asking, how am I going to do money? So let's start by the bot that you need to pay $30 to join. So everything is on Telegram. So the bot looks like this. Here you have the main things as your partners and how many did you make with your partners. So here the only thing that you have, it's your referral link where you can share with another guys, girls, it doesn't matter, just to build your team. As you see, I have a lot of people, maybe 10, maybe 7, but nobody activated the API address, API, and you need to do this so the guy that is trading can have total access to your wallet. So how you do that? After you pay $30, I'm going to leave my link below so you can register. Like I said, maybe it's going to be hard just to register, because when it was my first time, my father helped me doing that. So what you do is going to click, after you pay, of course, you click API. I don't know what is happening, it was working. Okay, let's start again. I'm going here, I have my bot, I click bot, I'm clicking the bot and they have a bad gateway. I think they're doing maintenances so I'm not going to worry about this because you don't have a lot of stuff here. The only thing that I would like to show you is how to put the API let's say address, but it's not a critical moment. You can write a comment or write a message on Telegram. I'm going to help you with that. It's really easy. So the thing is, after you do this, you can join the group. They have a group on Telegram, like every project that I showed you before. It's on Russian, but the people also speak English if you speak with them. Also the manager, if you have any question, maybe you don't like to speak with people. Also you have here the questions, you can ask your questions, but as I said before, you can write to the manager and he is going to help you with everything that you need, so do not worry about this. Also Let's Go Study, they have everything explained, cryptocurrency, how does it work, how the project is going to move, everything, but they are speaking Russian, so I'm not sure that you are going to understand if you are a native English speaker, only if you speak Russian, of course. So the wallet tree again, after you put your API address, and the question is, where do you take your API address? I'm sorry, I didn't explain at first. So here you have API. Please do not share your API with anyone, because people can steal your money by sharing the API key. So you click here, or you just click copy. After you copy, you are going to the bot as I showed before, and you put your API and the hash that you paid the bot. So after you pay the bot, of course, you're going to have a hash that you paid, the transaction hash, let's say the ID. As here, if I copy this, it's going to be the same when you are paying from the bot. What I'm saying is going to be the same, like ID or maybe hashtag or hash or something like this. After you do this, you're going to be activated automatically and it's going to start trading. You don't need to be worried about anything. The only thing I forgot to mention is when you are putting the deposit, it's going to freeze for some time, 3 months or 5 months. So as you see, I started 23 of November 2024 and it's going to end 23 of March 2025. So the $3,448, it's going to be frozen till March of 2025. If I want, I can put again the money working, or I can withdraw everything. Till today I made 1,562. As I said, it's going to be half, but I paid 25% of that money, so it's less than 50%, so I'm not worried. The project still works. It's a lot of potential. It is going to work a good time. I think 1-2 years it's going to still working because they are trading. It's not a hype, so do not worry. Yes, of course, you need to be aware when you are investing money, because it can close any day. You never know when it's going to close. Every project that I'm showing you, you need to be careful. Please do not put money that you are afraid to lose, because if you put $1,000, you need to be aware that you can lose these $1,000 tomorrow. Do not take credits on banks or do not borrow money from anyone to put money on these projects. Only put on Bitcoin and Ethereum if you want to be sure that your money is going to be safe on a cold wallet, but it's going to be on another video explaining the cold wallet. I'm just waiting for my to come. So on this project you also have the presentation. As you see, this is the presentation of SmartClub. If you have any questions or you just want to know how SmartClub works and how you pay or everything else about SmartClub, you have here the presentation. It has 10 pages about everything they do. They have the QR code that you can join the journal trade, the trade journal. Also you have the affiliate program, you have the main club rules, everything else that you need to know. I'm not going to read because it's going to take a lot of time. I read by myself when I started the club. So let's do a quick summary of what I said. The video is not that long because the project is really easy to understand. So you register your account on Walletry, you please save the seed phrases, you save your password, everything. Do not show the API key to anyone. After this you can pay $30 to join the SmartClub bot, where they are going to give you access to the main chat. They are going to give you access to put your API key, and after that, when you top up your balance on Walletry, you can just do nothing, and the money will come to your account on Walletry, and you can always take your money. I'm going to show you. It's really quick. You click on wallets, you click withdraw, and you do the same as you top up, but it's the another way. So you select your token. TRC20 is going to be the best because you are not going to pay a lot of fees. You put your address from Bybit, Binance, whatever. You put the amount that you have. For example, you're going to have here your balance. I have 8 cents, but if you have 150, you can withdraw. It's going to take 10 minutes to come to your account, 15 minutes. And as you see, there is my transactions that was made, how many I top up, how many I withdrawn. Also, you have, if you click on API, you can see what the trader buy. As you see, it was Chainlink that he bought me the last coin. He bought me with my $3,448, and I made 211.71 cents. I withdrawn this money, so it was on my account, but I needed to pay the 25% of the January month. So let's say I didn't get nothing of this money because I paid to them. But as you see, 175, 192 and 185, it was the money that I've made. It was mine. Also, you have your referral structure. You can copy also the Walletry link to share with your friends, with your team, whatever you want. And people can come, and when they are putting money on Walletry, you are going to gain a percentage of this. So it's not going to be that big, but of course you're going to receive something. Also on Brobot you're going to receive something, so it's going to be 2 times on Brobot. On SmartClub, I'm sorry, it calls you're going to receive on SmartClub. Also you are going to receive on Walletry as well. So this was the project, guys. If you have any questions, you can always ask me on Telegram, leave a comment below. On YouTube, leave a like. I'm going to share a lot of more projects that I have, a good project. Also, I try to do my best to have a better English to explain everything as the project, how the project works. So do not worry about this. I hope in some few months I'm going to be a lot more professional on this, because it's not my main language, it's not my native language. So thank you guys for your time. I hope you have a great day, and bye.